Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can delete a song from the music library on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, open up the music app. Next in here, tap on the library tab at the bottom. Then you can open up a playlist or open up songs or albums. So here, let's say I'm going to open up songs. Then in the list of songs, tap on the song that you want to remove from your library. So here you can tap on this songs right here, Welcome to New York, and tap on the More button right next to the title. From the pop-up, tap on Delete from Library, then tap on Delete Song. And that's it. So that is how you can remove a song from the library. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.